You wake up, check your phone, scroll through other people's wins. Then you tell yourself, tomorrow I'll be better. But tomorrow never comes. You're stuck, tired, distracted, unmotivated, and deep down, you know it's your fault. Not because you're broken, not because you're lazy, but because somewhere along the way, you stopped showing up for yourself. If you're not ready for the truth, leave now. Because what's coming? It's going to hit hard and shake your soul. Part 1. The hard truth. Nobody's coming to save you. No friend, no parent, no motivational speaker is going to fix your life. This isn't a movie. There's no hero arc unless you write it. And if your life's a mess right now, here's why. You've been chasing comfort instead of discipline. You've been escaping your reality instead of building it. You've traded long-term growth for short-term dopamine. The scary part? You've gotten used to it. You scroll, binge, numb your brain, then wonder why you're still in the same place. But here's the good news. You can flip the script. You can take the pain and turn it into power. You just need 30 days. Part 2. The 30-day reset plan. This is not a challenge, it's a contract between the version of you that's tired of being average and the version that's finally ready to rise. Here's what you're going to do for 30 straight days. Wake up early, not 9 a.m., not 10 a.m. Wake up at 5:30. While the world's asleep, you build. The silence of the morning is where killers are made. Cold shower. It's not about your body, it's about your mind. Start your day with discomfort. Learn to walk into resistance, not run from it. No phone for the first 60 minutes, no texts, no TikTok. Give your mind time to breathe, to think. Your peace should not be the first thing you give away every morning. 30 minutes of silence, no music, no screens, just sit, reflect, write, plan. Most people are scared to face themselves. That's why they stay lost. Work out daily, no matter what. Lift, run, sweat, struggle. You build respect for yourself by keeping promises when it's hard. Eat clean. Fuel your body with what builds it, not what numbs it. No sugar highs, no fast food comfort. Every bite is a vote for the future you. Read every day. 10 pages. That's it. Learn something. Rewire your brain. You don't need motivation. You need new inputs. No cheap dopamine. No endless scrolling. No porn. Your brain is addicted to shortcuts. Break the loop. Take your power back. Sleep properly, 7 to 8 hours every night. No more. Just one more episode. You can't rebuild anything while you're running on fumes. Track everything. Use a notebook, an app, a calendar. When you measure effort, you multiply progress. Part 3. The transformation. By day 5, you'll want to quit. By day 10, your old habits will scream at you. But by day 30, you won't even recognize yourself. You'll walk different, think different. People around you will feel it, and some won't like it. Why? Because you're finally becoming someone who doesn't accept average. You're doing the one thing most people are too scared to do, taking full control of your life. You'll realize you never needed to be saved. You just needed a system, discipline, and the balls to stick to it. So here's the question. Are you going to keep scrolling for another 30 days? Or are you going to rise? You've wasted enough time. You've played small long enough. Now is the moment. No more excuses, no more waiting, no more lies to yourself. 30 days, all in, unfuck your habits, unfuck your mind, unfuck your life. The next version of you is begging you to begin.